family. This is New York City. It's Monday, February 1st, and we're getting a blizzard. And I choose to come out here today. I always want to do this for the last 26 years. I've been in this country. I've never really gone into the snow like this ever. And I feel to have some fun today. So I want you guys to see what I'm seeing. I'm taking you guys outside with me. I'm actually going to lay on the snow and play. Yes, I am going to do it. Believe it or not. This is New York City under a blizzard. See? It is so icy out here, but I got the right boots on and I got the right mind. I think I got the right mind on today. I just felt like, oh my God, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. And it's not that freezing. It's not that freezing. I'm going over this direction because this is where I want to be. It's gorgeous, isn't it? It's beautiful, right?
Yep.
Oh my God, it's so pretty. I always wanted to do this. Yeah. When it snows. I'm like, I always wanted to do this, so I'm going to do it today. It is nice. Look. I am walking into it. I want you guys to see it. How gorgeous it is. And I'm going to just put in snow and play in it. It is so nice out here. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It is so beautiful. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. And I'm going to just put my tablet out here. A lot of snow is getting in right now. But I want you guys to see me. Here I am. Oh God. I gotta take my glasses off. My eyeglasses off. Because I don't really need it right now. And I'm gonna put it into my pocket so it is protected. And I'm going over here to lay on the snow so you guys can see me. Oh my God, it's so beautiful out here. It is gorgeous. Oh, it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I'm laying in the snow. Oh my God, it's so nice. I feel like a kid again. I feel like a kid again. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. It is so nice. It is so nice. It is so nice. It is nice. I know, guys, I took my mask off. I don't even need it right now. So I'm trying to put my gloves on, and I just did. I took my mask. It's kind of protect me from the cold. If you see my nose start getting red, you know it. Look, I'm all alone out here. There are people actually out here walking, but I love it. It's nice. Oh my God, this is so nice. I feel like a kid again. I always wanted to do this. I'm enjoying this. I don't know about anybody upstairs right now, but this is the best time to bring the kids outside and have a play in the snow. Make it a fun day with the family. Don't have to stay indoors. It is beautiful. Oh God, guys, look at it. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. And I hate to say goodbye. And I'm out here